Hi, this is Debbie from the world famous By Golly studio. We're on a field trip again. That's Quadra Island. This is the restaurant, or it's called Fogg Dekkers. And there was a little something here I wanted to show you. I want to show you my chainsaw carving. My hubby and I did. I don't know if you can even see this with the sunshine. They've got a few chainsaw carvings here that are kind of cool. This one was done by Wilf and Kelly Zirk, the Cookie Monster. And this one, I think it's Jerry Stryloff. Oh, yeah, Jerry Stryloff. That's really cool. I'm doing a YouTube video. Can I? This is another pretty cool one. See, we did this little princess. Now this robin, my hubby and I did. It's called the early worm catches the bird. I don't know if I can get the sunshine. Not the best photographer. But anyways, it's a little robin, and he's got a worm wrapped around his legs, which was cool, but it's kind of created a problem because when you drive by, it just looks like something else. So they put a bike rack in front and fixed that problem. But anyways, I'm gonna go see if I can say hi to the lady that works here. We have a little fire pit in the back. It's really cool little plates. See all the stuff here. See all the little I'm doing a YouTube video. Can I film you for a second or
what's it for?
Oh, I just have a little tiny YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Is
you asking me?
Oh no. No, nothing unless you're into something cool.
No.
And this,
I just get awkward in front of the camera.
oh, do you? Oh, is it okay?
Yeah.
And this lovely lady works here. What's your name?
Nadesh?
Nadesh. Oh, that's a pretty name. Oh, it's okay. Okay, this is Nadesh. I don't even know if I'm. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Okay, thank you.